has come up. A new thing has come up, arisen.
Means something has come up
Yeah,
like this
pollution.
the pandemic has come up,
Yeah,
arisen.
arisen. Hmm. So when the
Okay, ma'am.
pandemic has come up, the need has arisen that we don't go to school and we attend online classes. So
Okay,
that is
ma'am. And
arisen.
tackle means?
Tackle means how to handle.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. So it's 9:30 and there's a surprise for you all.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
you
you
are
are at
at school.
school.
Yay!
Ma'am, I know that when you were speaking now, I
Good
know
morning,
that
ma'am.
when you are in school, your voice was
How?
echoing.
Ma'am,
Why, why
ma'am,
is
ma'am,
my voice
ma'am,
echoing? I
the
don't know.
class is big, no? When you are at your house, your voice doesn't echoes. But
So
right now
today,
it was echoing. So
so
something
today it
was
will echo.
coming.
Tomorrow the children will be there, so it will not echo. So today the
So,
children are
ma'am,
joined us.
tomorrow we won't be able to see you because tomorrow will be Swati ma'am, our teacher.
Yes, another news, children. I will not be taking your English anymore.
Why, ma'am?
Now Swati ma'am will take your English. I'll miss
Why,
you
ma'am?
all.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Seriously, I'm not joking.
No, ma'am. Tell the principal sir or Jyoti ma'am that you in the 4C you will teach only.
Ma'am,
See,
you are.
listen. So tomorrow onwards, your class will get merged into 4A and B. Okay. You will get the timetable of tomorrow, the transport of tomorrow, and which section you are tomorrow. And the most important thing that you have to remember is from tomorrow onwards, you will not go to 4C classroom and click on the 4C classroom. All those who are attending online class, you will have to go to 4 grade activity classroom. Where? Activity classroom. Okay. 4C doesn't exist now from after 12 today. It doesn't exist from today. Okay. So it's going to change, and your new teacher is going to be Swati ma'am.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Okay.
12:15.
ma'am, let the A or B transfer. Why did they transfer C? It's not fair.
That you talk to the concerned
Ma'am,
people.
so where
I
we
have
will
no idea.
attend HRM and reading class?
Reading class as of now is not there when we are offline online. Okay. HRM also probably will not be there from tomorrow. And one thing I want to confirm with you all is we have dictation no today. I'll be sending you the link, but I just want to confirm something before that. You people know that 18 are only there. Okay. You people have sent your consent for online, offline class, right? Right?
Yes.
So I just want to confirm quickly whether the information that we've got is correct or not. So Aradhya, you have not filled up your consent form only. We have not received. Don't give me those faces. You have to quickly answer yes or no.
No,
What?
I don't know. I
Which classes are you going to attend, online or offline?
online.
So please send that form to us, or do one thing if you have not. Children, this is for all of you, listen carefully. If you have not sent the consent form and you are attending online, please mail your class teacher right away after this period and Jyoti ma'am saying what are you doing, offline, online. If it's online, then you have to, then there is nothing to be done much. You just have to tell her that I'm attending online. If it is offline, then you have to tell whether you're opting for school transport or your own transport, or whether you're opting for home food or the school food. Two things you have to do if you are coming to school and if you have not filled the transport. All questions will be answered in the end, Danya. First, I have to do my work. This is to be done on an urgent basis. Ane is there? Ane? Just tell me if he's present or absent, one of you. Absent? Okay. Bhavya.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Bhavya, what I see here is you've opted for school classes, then transport, you want school transport and school food, right or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Danya. Danya, you want to come to school, school transport and
Yes.
school food, right? Okay, great.
Yes.
Dhyan Patel.
Yes,
Dhyan
ma'am.
Patel wants to come to school, school transport and school food.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Divit, Divit,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. You want to come to school, school transport and school food, right?
No, ma'am.
What? What is it?
Transport.
Only
Transport.
transport.
Yes. And,
Only transport. And food you will bring from home.
yes, ma'am.
Sure, no? Because you're not going to get it if you're not opting for it. Okay, fine. So you have to bring 2 boxes. Okay? So I'm writing here, own food. Granth. Granth, you're coming to school and you have opted for school transport and school food. Okay, fine. Then is Jigar.
Yes.
Jigar has opted for school. He's going to come on his own and he's opted for school food. Okay, correct. Fine, fine. Okay, next is Kashvi. Is she present? Absent. Kevan. Kevan has opted for school classes, school food and school transport.
Yes.
Okay. Then Mantra is not there.
No, ma'am.
Manya,
Yes, ma'am.
which classes have you opted for? We have not received your form also, bacha.
No, ma'am. I've sent the consent form.
I
My
don't know.
father sent it.
Okay, so can you mail also to ma'am
Okay, ma'am.
and your class teacher
Today I
and
will.
Jyoti ma'am? Hmm?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me, Manya, online?
Online, ma'am.
Online. So no food, no transport, right? Moksh, online?
Yes, ma'am.
Online.
Then we
Okay.
have to send the consent form means that Google form or that consent form that you have sent.
Consent form, consent form.
So
Nishwa,
I haven't received mine.
Online.
I think the online ones are not mentioned here. That's what I think. So, fine, no problem. Niva, sorry, coming back to Nishwa again. Nishwa, online, right?
Online. Yes, ma'am.
Online, okay. Niva,
Yes.
what? Online?
Yes, ma'am.
Online, okay. Rajvi Nikhare. Rajvi Nikhare, online or offline?
Offline.
Huh?
Offline.
Offline. You want to come to school.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you sent everything? The form and all? Call your mama quickly.
Okay, ma'am.
Quickly, quickly. Rajvi Lahoti. What is it? Where
Ma'am,
is Lahoti?
offline.
Where are you? Can't see you. Raise your hand quickly, Rajvi. Can't see you. La Rajvi Lahoti is offline. Rajvi Nikhare is Nikhare. Answer today. Yes, ma'am.
हेलो मैम
हाँ जी मैम बोलिए.
आपने बुलाया बोल रहे थे
Rajvi Lahoti, your mama is to be called, not Nikhare. Nikhare, what are you doing, bacha? Rajvi Lahoti, call your mama. Rajvi Nikhare, confirm. What is it, offline or online?
Ma'am, offline.
Offline. You're coming to school
Yes, ma'am.
and you're having school transport
Yes, ma'am.
and school food also.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you informed the school? Because we have not received your consent form, Nikhare.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't have informed.
Okay, so what you have to do is, Nikhare, send a mail to Sujata ma'am today, right now. Send a mail to Sujata ma'am and Jyoti ma'am saying that you want to come for on offline classes and you want
Ma'am.
school food and school transport. Yes.
Ma'am, actually, I don't know how to send mail.
Tell someone at home. Tell Papa.
Papa has gone to office now only.
Call your mother back. Call your mother back quickly. Now you call your mom. Yes, Rajvi Lahoti.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, sir. So I
Hi.
just wanted to confirm, what has he opted for, offline classes or online classes?
No, offline classes. I had already paid the fees for next 2 months.
Off.
Transportation and food. Yes.
Fine, sir, fine. I'm just confirming the thing.
Okay, okay, no course.
Thank you, sir.
He's coming from tomorrow.
Yeah, he's coming from tomorrow, 1st December.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Tej,
Okay, ma'am.
wait, Niva, you have to wait till the end. Tej, no, I want you to answer. Tej, what is it? Offline, online?
Ma'am, I have not sent form, so I forgot.
First, you answer my question. Offline,
I'm
online? Online. Fine. So you stay at home. Nothing to be confirmed.
8-10 लोग जा रहे हो ज्यादा नहीं
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how will come to know about the transportation that when the bus will come?
Tomorrow, ma'am. Sorry, not tomorrow. Today only by 5 p.m. Definitely you will receive everything. We will be posting
Okay,
it in
ma'am.
the classroom.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Welcome. Okay.
Hello, ma'am.
Tej is online, right? Tej?
Ma'am, just
हाँ मैम, राजवी निखारे.
बोलिए.
मैम ये कह रहा है कि ये कल से स्कूल आने वाला है, ऑनलाइन नहीं अटेंड करने वाला, तो क्या है इसका, ऑनलाइन है कि ऑफलाइन है?
इसका ऑफलाइन है ना, कल से स्कूल स्टार्ट हो रही है ना.
तो आपने स्कूल को इन्फॉर्म किया है?
इन्फॉर्म, वो फॉर्म भरना था ना.
हाँ, वो भरा है आपने?
वो एक वैक्सीनेशन वाला फॉर्म फिलअप कर दिया था, एक दूसरा बाकी है.
तो मैम वो
वो
तो
आज
डेट
मिल
भी
जाएगा.
निकल गई, अभी कब भेजोगे आप? बस रूट कब बनेगी, कब आपके बच्चे को पिक किया जाएगा?
मैम कब की डेट थी वो?
26।
तो फिर अभी क्या कर सकते हैं फिर?
अभी आप मुझे बताइए, आपको एक मेल भेजना है उसको, पर आप मुझे भी बता दीजिए कि वो स्कूल कैसे आने वाला है, घर आप छोड़ने वाले हो या?
नहीं, बस से
आने वाला है। और खाना क्या है उसका, घर से लाएगा कि यहाँ खाएगा?
वो भी मतलब स्कूल से.
तो वो सब एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस हैं दैट यू हैव टू पे। आपको वो मेल में सब लिखा था मैम, आप प्लीज निखारे, प्लीज टेल मम्मा, शो दैट मेल टू मम्मा।
Ma'am, I have showed.
फाइन, शो इट टू हर अगेन। ओके, मैं यहाँ पे मार्क कर रही हूँ, पर आपको एक मेल भेजना ही है। निखारे, प्लीज लर्न इट फ्रॉम समवेयर और टेल सम नेबर्स और समवन टू सेंड दैट मेल stating that you want the school transport and the school food, and you have to do it right after this period. Am I clear? Yes ma'am.
जो ये है ऑफलाइन ऑनलाइन दोनों चालू रहेगी?
हाँ मैम, दोनों चालू है।
दोनों चालू है? ठीक है।
तो कल ये आ रहा है ना स्कूल, आप कंफर्म कीजिए तो मैं आगे इन्फॉर्म करूँ।
हाँ, कल आ जाएगा।
हाँ, तो आप मेल कीजिए तो इसका बस रूट प्रिपेयर होगा, नहीं तो ये नहीं होगा।
ठीक है।
इसके पापा को बोलिए, किसी को बोलिए। चिल्ड्रन, आई एम सेंडिंग द
मैं खुद ही मेल कर दूंगी।
हाँ मैम, थैंक यू।
मैं उधर थी ना, इसलिए ध्यान नहीं दिया।
ठीक है मैम। Children, I've sent the dictation link. Please start doing. And I'm sorry, there will be disturbance in the class.
Ma'am.
Wait. Vedant. Vedant,
Yes, ma'am.
start do your dictation quickly. Vedant, offline,
Yes, ma'am.
you're
No,
coming
ma'am.
to school.
Offline. Offline. Yes, ma'am. I am coming to school.
Decide first. Decide quickly. Offline, online.
Ma'am, I am coming to school.
Okay. So the
Offline.
next thing, transport, school transport,
School town. School.
and school
Transport.
food, and school food.
Yes, ma'am. School food.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. We hand over. Yeah, you're coming to
Yes.
school tomorrow.
Offline.
Coming to school tomorrow, no?
Yes. Yes.
And school transport and school food, right?
Yes. Both. Yes.
Okay, great. Vishrut, I have not received. Is it online?
Yes, ma'am.
Online. Okay. Viva. Where is Viva?
Yes, ma'am.
Viva, what is it? You're coming to school tomorrow
Yes.
and you're having the school food and you've gone for school transport also. Am I right?
Yes.
Fine. Great. So that's it. Please do your dictation. We'll see you all tomorrow. Who all are going to come tomorrow? We'll have a nice time.
Hello, ma'am. We have one. Ma'am means who are doing online. We have to means we have means we.
First think your question. Then start the
Ma'am.
study. Yes,
We have
Sushi.
to not fill the form, that consent form who are doing online.
No,
That paper.
you still had to inform. No, that form is not for just people who are going for offline. You have to inform that you're doing online. Yeah, Suchi. Suchi, your name is
Ma'am.
not there only, no? Suchi?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. So, Suchi, what is your status? Offline or online?
Online.
Online. Okay, fine. Anybody else whose name is left? I have not called out the name. Aradhya, where is Mantra? 2 days he came, now he's again not coming. Can you inform him all this? Online, offline, what is it? Tell him to mail his class teacher.
Online.
Has to tell him to mail his class teacher. He's in Mumbai. He's still in Mumbai. Fine.
Ma'am.
Yes, who's this? Yeah, I'm sending the link.
This is me.
Granth, are you doing the dictation?
Yes, but I done.
Oh, what? You already finished the 5 sentences. Networking well. Yes, Dhyan, what happened to that?
Ma'am, I don't have my shoe size, so I can. Which shoes I can wear?
Any shoes for tomorrow? Just wear any shoes because I think the shoe sizes are not available in the tuck shop also.
Yes.
So as of now, you wear any
I have
black
already.
shoes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vihan. Wait a minute.
I will be wearing the some shoes. It is in black color, but my leg is hurting. Not that's why I will wear those shoes. Oh,
Dania had a question. Dania. Dania.
Ma'am, sports shoes, it is okay?
Yeah, yeah. No problem. Dania Gordel. Where is she gone?
hello, ma'am. In the dictation, you have written straight away together, so we have to write it together.
Why will I write straight away together? Because it's together. It's a compound word.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Hmm?
at the third one there is anagram names. Has a reason it is mix or is different. I
It's
can
one word. It's one word. Arisen.
yeah. I have written that one. I was just confused if it is.
Arisen.
I had one doubt only.
Granth. Where is Granth? You said you have submitted your dictation. I have not received it. Zero responses it's showing to me. I have not received. Have you got your marks?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
You said that you submitted your dictation. When I asked you, Granth, why are you not doing your dictation? Quickly finish it. Put your mic off.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, my 1, 4, and 5. That 3 are showing me wrongs.
So you've written it correct. Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me check. Which one? 1.
1, 4, and 5.
One sec. That's a problem with the comma here, Manya. I have to check it
Ma'am,
manually. That's not an issue. I have to check it manually.
Ma'am,
And the
Okay, ma'am.
first one, you have written
Yes, ma'am.
wrong. You've written wrong. Just check what you've done. You've copy pasted the sentence.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
ma'am,
Ma'am, it
Yeah,
is.
Vishrut.
Ma'am, in my test, ma'am, I have written 1, 3, and 5 right, but it is showing wrong.
All those whose one is coming wrong, I know what you people are doing. And your people are doing something very bad.
Ma'am, in first one, I had a mistake.
Quiet, more quiet. If you don't have a question, you don't switch on your mic. Tomorrow, children, please remember, I'm reminding you again that children who are going to attend the online class will not log in for C. They will log in which class? Online class, children.
For activity class.
For activity class. Okay. For activity class. Got it, all of you? All of you have to log in for activity class. If you log in 4C, there'll be no class at all. There'll be no teacher only there. So all of you remember online class, children, 4C activity class. Sorry, 4C needs to log into activity class. Yeah, Viva.
Ma'am, in the offline, which classroom do we have to go in?
We'll tell you tomorrow. You come to school. The classes are already marked. So we'll tell you tomorrow. We'll take you to the classroom. Don't worry.
Okay.
Children 10 to
Ma'am?
please start submitting your forms. Yes, Danya.
Ma'am, so you told that the classes will be joined. So in the school also the class will be joined only. 4A, 4B and 4C.
You'll be
So in
sitting.
a one classroom, 3 sections will be.
There'll be proper social distance.
Ma'am,
Don't
can
worry.
you talk in chat box? I can't hear.
Yeah. Children 10 to already. Please start submitting your forms. All those who haven't.
Ma'am, I got to know what was my mistake. I listened the first part only and I wrote the whole sentence.
See, that's how I catch children. Viva, Granth, Bhavya, Manya, all have done the same mistake. How many are
Sorry.
still doing, beta? How many are still doing?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I'm in the last one.
Can you please turn your mic off? I cannot hear the last one.
Vedant, the time is already up. You can log off and do your dictation.
Bye now.
ma'am, at the first one, and it is showing wrong only the first one, but it is right. I have checked in log. I'm checking it. Let me see again. Oh, I have not written T in the environment. Shit. I think I by mistake
See, you people only check your own papers. You'll come to know what mistakes you're doing, right? Okay. Children, please remember, I'm repeating again. Online children attending classes have to log into 4C classroom, and after tomorrow, we are not going to meet. Only the offline children will meet me in the class. I'll not be teaching 4C anymore.
Ma'am, I will miss you because I'm on online.
I'm
The
also going to
offline
miss you
children
all.
can meet you also in
At
your
least
class.
they can, yeah, at least they can come and meet me. The rest of them can't see me also during the day, right?
So you have to go offline to get more
Swati
fun.
ma'am will teach, not you.
What, Viva?
Why will Swati ma'am will teach English now? Why not you anymore?
That is okay for us. That is okay for me.
Because Viva, the classes are being taken by one teacher. So like third grade is going to be taken completely by Hital ma'am, fourth completely by Swati ma'am, and fifth completely by me. That's why.
Not fair.
Ma'am, just tell the principal sir to change the whole concept only.
No.
Tell
Don't
the Swati ma'am to
Don't care.
teach in 5th and you in 4th. That's okay.
And you're teaching fourth.
What, Rehan?
You're teaching fifth.
I
We
know.
are doing offline.
No, I'll be teaching only grade 5A and grade 5B. No fourth now.
Even maths. So like in grade 5 B and A, so C is taking someone else. So you can also do in English in 4C like that, no?
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Your
the
3
problem
classes
is,
will be done.
ma'am, the half
Your 3 classes will be done.
yes, Manya.
Why, ma'am?
There is no 5C, Danya. There's
only
no.
half year is not there.
I know.
It's okay for half year.
They're taking.
You have to teach us. Then
Yes.
go in 5th class. We will
And then-
also go in 5th
You
class.
teach us more than a half year, so we are comfortable with you now.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
no.
Now this is not fair with us.
You teach us English more than a half year.
Taught. I know, but it's okay, children. We have to adapt to new things every day. And if you
Like
have
when
any
we were
questions,
When we will come in fifth grade, we will meet you.
Ma'am, it will take time to set with Swati ma'am.
I know. Yeah, Viva, quickly. Rest of the work Dan can leave, better get ready for your next
You're
class.
gonna teach maths. You're gonna teach maths in 5th.
Maths.
In 5th, you said that you were only gonna teach 5th.
So once you pass out your fourth, you'll be back with me again.
Yay!
No, ma'am. Then principal sir says that you have to teach in 6th, then we will come in 6th and principal sir will say you have to teach in 7th. So how will it work?
Yeah.
So you talk to the concerned people. I am.
Fourth.
Yeah, beta, I'm in school. Okay, children, bye. I have another class. Bye. See you. Bye, beta. Bye.
And you are in school?
Yeah, I'm in school right now.
Because there is a board on your backside.
Right.
Yeah, I never see that.